Global warming, a pressing environmental issue, refers to the steady increase in Earth's average temperature due to human activities, primarily the emission of greenhouse gases. The consequences of global warming are widespread and alarming. Melting ice caps and glaciers contribute to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities. Extreme weather events, like hurricanes and heat waves, become more frequent and intense, posing risks to lives and property. Biodiversity suffers as ecosystems struggle to adapt. Species migration patterns shift, disrupting food chains and habitats. Agricultural productivity declines due to unpredictable weather patterns, affecting food security. In urban areas, air quality deteriorates as heat exacerbates smog and pollution. Health issues arise, as heat-related illnesses become more common. Furthermore, the increased prevalence of vector-borne diseases is a growing concern. To combat global warming, a multi-pronged approach is crucial. Mitigation involves reducing greenhouse gas emissions through cleaner energy sources, reforestation, and sustainable practices. Adaptation strategies should be implemented to minimize the impact of changes already underway. In conclusion, the effects of global warming are evident and demand immediate action. By addressing this challenge through both mitigation and adaptation, we can curb its adverse effects and secure a sustainable future for our planet.